So guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Camper, and here we'll be discussing about the Infinix GT Book. I hope so you guys must know about Infinix GT Book. Especially Indian people must be knowing about it. But anyone outside of India, I don't know this laptop is launched in your country or not, but this is a budget segment laptop which is rolling out in India from last 1 year and making a boom, a kind of boom for in the terms of performance and a budget king gaming laptop. How? But the point is it working fine? Now also I'm using it from last 1 year and my team members are using it from 1 year, exactly my office team members, and they are using so roughly. I don't believe it will work the same way it is working 1 year back. And the 1 year back, seriously, as being i5-12450H processor with RTX 3050 95 watt TZP and a great machine with a great performance pack in just 55,000 rupees Indian rupees. Outside, I don't know, it will be much lesser. So if it is launched in outside of India, do let me know in the comment it is launched outside of India or not. So after 1 year, is the uses, the performance, the gaming experience is same as it was before? So let's discuss on those things. And guys, you will not believe in this price range, this laptop got 100% sRGB. None of its kind have 100% sRGB in this price range in India. Just telling you one example, the Lenovo Lock series comes at around 65,000 rupees with 100% sRGB. And this laptop will give you 100% sRGB display with a complete metal build in from the top side and lightweight gaming laptop with RGB strip in just 52 or 53,000 rupees, or even after discount you may get it at 50,000 rupees. So that is the power of this budget king laptop. But yes, the performance a year back was good, but now I will tell you what problems I faced. The thing is, whatever laptop you are using, use it with care. Means use cooling pad or use some kind of room where the dusts and all are not coming up. Especially I will suggest to use cooling pad instead, because that keeps your laptop clean. Just see this. When I started playing game now in this laptop after 1 year, I found that TZP is not going even above 30 to 40 TZP. Why? I'm not getting that FPS which I was getting 1 year back. Is it possible that a laptop can go down in just 1 year? I tried all my best. I updated the NVIDIA software, I updated the Windows, but still I was not getting that FPS. Then I saw my thermals are touching 100 degrees Celsius in most of the games. Why? And then I checked the flow from the backside. There is no flow coming up. That means there is some catch. My fans were completely filled with the dust. I opened the laptop. It was not easy to open this laptop exactly, but I opened, took the risk, cleaned it properly. I didn't try to open the thermal pipes. Just fan cleaning with a vacuum cleaner was enough. And then when I started playing games on it, the performance improved. So just for your information, let's see the gaming and then we'll check the performance benchmark of this laptop. So game, you can see it's RDR2, and in the left side you can see the FPS is not going good. That is 55 FPS and the temperature are touching 100. And main point, the TGP of this GPU. In the left side you can see it's just 38. It is before cleaning, and after cleaning the laptop it is touching more than 80, 85. And that is the performance, and you can see the FPS is also better in the right side. Because of the system condition, left side the RAM utilization is also too much to provide you the performance as much possible. In the right side, that is not the case. The laptop is clean, the thermals are good, and the FPS are you are getting better, and the RAM utilization is also low with a great high TGP utilization. So both the game, this is Forza Horizon, and previously we played RDR2. Similarly, in this game also we played for a long time just to see if there is any glitch coming up, but there is no. One point for your information, the lag was not before cleaning, and the lag was not there after the cleaning process also. But you can see the difference, especially in FPS and thermals, and mostly I will say TGP. There was one game, that is Far Cry, that before cleaning also it was pushing high. I don't know the exact reason, what can it be? But you can see it is again coming down. It is around 55, 56, and in the right side it is 75, 78. So difference is still there. FPS is still better in the right side, but
Because Far Cry is CPU and GPU intensive, there was something different. This game is again Call of Duty, not Counter Strike exactly. So here you can see we are getting easily 140 plus 145 FPS. What more you need exactly from this budget segment laptop? GTA 5 easily you are getting more than 130 plus FPS. 120 is the hertz of this screen laptop exactly, but you are getting more FPS, so you can enjoy on the external display. This is Forza Horizon West, and here we are getting a high setting exactly 45.
And guys, those who are facing issue with the software exactly, the control center, I've heard that people who restarted their laptop or not restart, they reset the laptop. In those cases, they are missing the control center application. So in the description, I will give it the software link in the share point. You can go and check it from there. Now let's come to the performance benchmark. I didn't clean it and I started looking at the benchmark and it was coming very close what I got 1 year back.
So you can see this is 1 year back cinnamon score. Right now we were getting somewhere around 8008 score. That is also not too bad. Even the laptop was not clean that time. Single score was also good, but after cleaning, you can see it was 8500. So after cleaning, the performance got increased. Seriously saying, same thing if we consider and check the 1 year back PC Mark 10, you can say it was 5800. Now it is 5400 without cleaning exactly. And this is also before cleaning 4500 and 5400 3D Mark 10. And the read write speed, you can see still it is good more than 5000.
So if I test it right now, I hope it will be approximately same what I got 1 year back. So performance is good till now. And now coming to the battery backup point, I was completely surprised that this laptop can give me the same battery life what I got 1 year back or nearby, I will say. It got a decent battery brick size, I think 160, 190 watt battery brick and 75 watt hour battery with 3 cell lithium battery. And the battery backup which I have received, as I tested, I started at around 12:50 midnight and I went through 1:20 p.m., 1:20 a.m. and all, and still 3 hour 40 minutes was left. Means it will give you more than 4 hour 20 minutes battery backup. So Infinix did a good job, no doubt about it, but still they need to work on few things to compete with the latest uh, brands or the market trending brands like Lenovo, Dell, Acer and all. No doubt their build is different, their look is different, their type is different. It seems much premium than lock and all, but still the RGB sticks at the backside needs to be worked upon. The plastic quality at the backside needs to be little bit good, otherwise it breaks easily while opening the laptop. And the thermals, the fans, it should not catch that much of dust easily within a year time. That depends person to person, but still we need to take care on those things. And the body paint job, which I can see at the back side, it is little bit gone. That also paint job can be a better thing here. That's all in this video, guys. I hope you liked it video. To subscribe the channel, because my main channel is Work with Style, that is in Hindi, and this channel is in English. I'm doing this extra job only for you guys. Let's see you again in the next video. Subscribe my channel.